to demonstrate casting a cow or a steer. Reasons for doing this would be primarily working on feet. If you have a cow and you want to work on anything, on udder, things like that, sometimes you have a reason to pull the cow down. It's easier to work on them down. Other reasons are for cavity issues. Cows with twisted uteruses will pull them down. Any reason to roll a cow, you can pull them down this way without any sedative. We'll show you the first. There's two different methods you can use. You want to tie the animal low, first of all. That's the most important thing, is tying them low and giving them some room, because when you pull them down, they're going to go backwards. They're going to pull back some. So you also have to have room for them to step back. You want to start with just a loop around their neck, and then the first loop will just cross there behind their withers, and then you're going to make another half pitch. Right in front of their hooks. Again, if you have a cow, you want to pay attention to the udder and go in front of the udder, so you're not compromising that udder there. If you have these half pitches on the left, the majority of the time the animal will fall to that side, whichever side these knots are on. So if you want them on the right, you can move them to the right, and they should fall more towards the right than the left.
All right.
When you're pulling them down like this, they typically go down a little bit easier than they would if you just skated them or crank your head back and try to pull them down. So it does make them lay down a little bit easier. Pull them down like this. Once they're down, you have to keep some tension on that, or they will get back up sometimes. As long as there's tension on that rope, they will not get back up.
So you need a couple people, really.
Right. So if you wanted to work on the feet now, you still have to restrain those feet. They're still very dangerous. But you have two. Again, it's around their neck and just in between their two front legs. It's crossed back over their back and then pulled in between their back legs.
That'll be pretty calm if you're going to be back.
So you need a fairly long rope. Any volunteers? Since I don't know if this way works.
Yeah, but I mean, like a big
I don't know. I never do this way.
big horns or something.
I don't have much confidence in this way. This is why you use the first method. There you go. He's thinking about it.
Yeah, and we're all going to go out down when he goes.
I know.
There you go, buddy.
See, I'm not sure if that takes more strength, or what do you think?
Well, you have three people on there. The other method certainly seemed more effective.
Team effort.
A little easier on the animal.
Yeah. I worry a little bit about that in between their legs on that way.
This way they can't,
He wouldn't have
they can't get forward.
gotten up if you were pulling him.
No, they can scoop.
Yeah, well, but, you know,